Hey you guys, my name is Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Guys, this is the 4th time that I'm recording the same exact video in the past week. I really want to upload this video because I personally like the way it turns out. It doesn't require a lot of effort, but it gives you a very fresh pinky face, which I love. So yeah, fingers crossed, we'll see whether it goes on the tube or not. Okay guys, let's start. The first thing that I'm going to do is use a toner and clean my face because I don't know whether the camera is picking this up. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. I haven't removed my eye makeup properly. I'm going to use this Pixie Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. I have been loving this so much recently. It kind of gives me a tingling feel, but it gives me results. So it smells like roses, guys, not the romantic kind, but the kind people throw on the road when someone dies. So my face is clean now. The next step I'm going to do is moisturize. Instead of using a moisturizing cream, I'm going to treat myself with a sheet mask. It's my favorite dabba because it contains all of my mask. And guys, I am actually recording another video testing out what will a sheet mask every day for 7 days will do to my skin, and this is day 3. This is the sheet mask that I'm going to be using today. I have to leave this for 15 minutes. It contains milky essence and vitamin C. It looks like a cream. Oh, I don't like the smell of this one. So this is how it looks. It has 2 layers. I'm pretty sure I have to remove the blue one. Gosh, my mouth. This is how it looks after I remove that particular sheet mask. I have never seen anything like this before, but according to the packaging, it seems I have to remove this excess cream with the help of a cotton pad. So that's what I'm gonna do. Am I bright now? This is not giving me that moisture I get from serum based masks, but I think it gives me brightness though. For today I'll be using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This gives a really flawless base and it doesn't require a lot of product. This much is enough for my whole face. For lip balm, I'm going to use Sephora's Watermelon Flavored Lip Balm. This is my recent favorite. Oh my god, it smells so good. It doesn't smell like watermelon though, but it smells really fruity, candy-ish. I'm going to do this before my foundation. The routine that I'm currently following is do this first, then my foundation, again a concealer because my panda eyes is on point right now, so I just need a lot of help covering that. So it looks like a sketch pen and you just have to do this to bring the product here, but it takes a lot of time. So it's like painting, you just oh god. This is like painting, you just have to paint over whichever area you want to cover. So for me it's my under eye area. I'm going to use this, I think it's from Etude House. They are blending sponge, and I'm just going to blend this out. This is how it looks after I blend it out. It just gives you a very brightening effect, and it doesn't crease too because it's very liquidy. And for foundation, I'm going to use Sephora's Glow Perfect foundation. I have been a fan of this for a year now. I really love the results that it gives me. It doesn't give a very cakey finish. It gives a more skin-like finish with a tint of glow, which I really love. For foundation, I am taking this very old Real Technique sponge. It takes a second to blend everything out, guys. Can you like see this glow? It gives you a very subtle glow, which I love, and it doesn't feel like you're having a product on your skin. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Again, as you can see, my panda eyes are still there, so to give a little more coverage, I'll be going on and using another concealer. I just apply the whole thing on the sponge. Can you see the product on the sponge? I'll just go ahead and can you see the difference? I am kind of happy with the coverage now, so I'm just going to go ahead and bake my under eye. I'll be using Laura Mercier's setting powder in translucent. I have been really loving this product. I'm packing it on this brush. I use Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder just for my under eye, and for the remaining face I use Sephora's powder, I think it's called powder foundation. If you want, you can even use the same sponge that it comes with. Should I chop my hair off? I'm going to use this side of this brush to just swipe off the excess powder. This is my face after doing all the base, and now I'm going to add some color to my cheeks. I'll be using this NARS Overlust palette, and for today's look I'll be using this color, which is called Get Lost. Smile. For the next step, I'll be using Hola bronzer from Benefit. This is how it looks. I'm taking the same brush that I used for blush priming, and instead of smiling, just do a duck face. I'm not going to do highlighting today because it is a everyday makeup, and for today's eye look I'll be using Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette. This shade, which is called Courage. I have loaded up this brush with the eyeshadow, and I'm just this is all the eyeshadow that I'll be using today. I am next going to draw a winged eyeliner. For my eyeliner, I'll be using Oh My Liner from Etude House. This is not the best eyeliner available, but this is the one I'm currently having right now, so I'm just going to apply this. It is a liquid black eyeliner. Eyeliner done, and now I'm going to use this Silky Girl Oh My gel liner. Tight lining your lower lash line always makes your eyes a bit bigger, and it just gives a very sharp look. Time for mascara. I'm going to use Too Faced Better Than Sex, a waterproof mascara. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is called Pillow Talk, and guys, it is such a gorgeous lipstick. This is how it looks. Oh my god, it smells so good. It looks like gloss, but it feels like a lip balm, but it is actually a lipstick. So that is all. This is my first ever tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I personally like the whole look. I think it looks very put together and sharp and neat. It is not very showy, but it's not like boring. It just has a very nice fresh florally kind of look. Oh my god, I really am obsessed with it. I have been using the same look for the past 2 videos, I guess, and yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. If you're recreating it, I don't know whether people will actually recreate this look, but if you are, please let me know. Share a pic. That would literally make my day. And guys, I think that is it, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.